Hello everyone. I have created a chatbot useful for learning AI. You can access it by visiting my AI quiz page. It is available at qualitypointtech.com/quiz. I will be providing the link in the description of this video. Okay. Here you can attend quiz for various AI related topics. Okay. I already released this and now I have included this chatbot feature. Here you can find that chatbot bubble, right? Just click that. Okay. Here you can start asking anything related to AI. Okay. What is AI? What, whatever question you can ask. Okay. It is fully optimized for teaching AI. Okay. Even if you ask something unrelated things, it will be guiding you to come back to AI. So you can focus on learning AI, and it will be very simple way. It's using Gemini only, Google Gemini, and I using prompt engineering. I highly optimized this for learning AI. Okay. But right now I'm using Google Gemini free version only, so sometimes it may give some error because of, suppose a lot of people are using simultaneously, because of rate limit it may give error. Okay. But if it is really useful and many people are interested in using, in that case I can look for alternate ways. Okay. To handle that. But anyway, if you are seeing error, just let me know. That time I will be looking for alternate ways. Okay. But based on my experience, I think it's really useful. Anyway, if you feel if it needs any kind of changes, just let me know. I will implement that also. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Bye.